Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can export your notes on Google Keep's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To export your notes on Google Keep, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google Keep application. The home page of Google Keep application will appear on the screen. From the home page, long press on the notes that you want to export and click on three dots at the top right corner of the page. From the displayed option, tap on Copy to Docs option. Select an account to export your Google Notes to and tap on it. Allow Drive to access your contact by tapping on Allow. Once you're done, on the next page, click on arrow icon at the top right corner of the page. It will export your notes in no time. This is how you can export your notes on Google Keep quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.